We are extremely proud to be hosting you for the JBDC Agro-Processing Incubator's official opening under the theme Developing Rich Industry Value Chains for Export. Drive.
Today is a significant milestone in our collective journey towards transforming agricultural landscape.
Today, we recognize the importance of the launch of this incubator. We will now have increased capacity to meet market access requirements for key export markets, as well as to improve branding and marketing, which will further increase exposure and demand for their products.
This cluster that you're putting together is about collaboration to take us to the high end of productivity and profit and significant growth in export.
We were able to acquire 6 critical pieces of equipment to carry out these functions, as well as to do a bit of upgrading to the physical space. We moved from approximately 600 or thereabouts square feet to a total of 1,000 square feet.
We are also delighted to know that this very new facility will benefit small and micro businesses outside of this cluster.
It's not just an inauguration of a physical space. We're not just seeing this as that today, but it's a realization of a shared vision and determination to drive innovation.
It was our view that inclusive development was the only way forward for Jamaica. It was also in our DNA that even the most micro operation could be part of and must be part of that inclusion if we're going to move forward.
You have to find innovative ways to structure financial arrangements so that exporters can get the plus that they need. Jamaica is changing. The markets are demanding. Let us finance those and make sure we have investors there to do it and people who will lend money, like the financial institutions.
One of the many ways that we are supporting our parent ministry's drive for export is to ensure that we are providing the right production facilities for entrepreneurs in the manufacturing space to ensure that they have the right systems and processes and equipment so that when they are ready to cross Jamaica's borders, they are good to go.
And to say, as we do the developing rich industrial value chains for exports together, we're building a better, a different Jamaica. And that is not only resource rich, but also abundant in opportunities and successes.
We look forward to an exciting launch, and once again I wish to congratulate all parties involved who made this event a success. Thank you very much.
If you know your heart clean like a whistle, like a whistle, heart clean like a little whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good. We never grudge Teflon. Family me deal with me.